Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you how to install VirtualBox on your system. So VirtualBox is a hypervisor. A hypervisor is a software platform where we can host multiple virtual machines. I have explained hypervisor in detail in my previous video, so you can check that out. So how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11? Let's get started. Okay, we come to this link, virtualbox.org. This platform is provided by Oracle, so I will provide the link in the description box below. So we just click on download VirtualBox 6.1. We come here, and as I'm using a Windows PC, I will just click here and it will start downloading. So I'll just cancel it because I already have it on my system. So this is the installer. I just open the installer, it asks for permission, click yes, and after that it is pretty simple. So you click on next, 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 and you can just ignore this and click on yes because you want network connection. Then you just click on install, and it will take a few minutes to install the VirtualBox. So it's done pretty quickly. So a window will open like this. So this is the VirtualBox interface. So if I want a new machine, if I want to add a new machine, I'll just click here and I'll just choose the version of the image and what kind of a virtual machine I'll be hosting, the operating system. So I will be installing Kali Linux, Parrot OS, Mac on VirtualBox in my upcoming videos, so keep an eye on that. And that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.